How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are flying to Sydney, Australia. I have never been to Sydney before, never been to Australia before, so I thought that I'd give you guys a travel vlog. So I hope you enjoy it. I know you enjoyed the UK one, so here's the Sydney one. Let's go. So guys, touchdown in Australia. They didn't declare us dodgy, so we're just walking to the train station now to get a train into the city centre, so we'll see you in a bit. As somebody from New Zealand, I've forgotten what these things actually are. And it's a friggin' double-decker one as well. 2 levels. A double-decker train. Look at this seat. That's mad. Arrived at Matt's now, so we shall see him in about 5 minutes. So apparently this used to be an old factory and they still kept the original conveyor belts in here for some bizarre reason. Yep, that one got me. That's the most disgusting sign I've ever seen. So you got to put your dirty paper in a bin in the corner. Grim. We're on our way to Taronga Zoo, so I'm very excited to see some animals. It's time to evacuate people. One of them's got out of its cage. Word of advice if you're planning on coming to Taronga Zoo: if you don't like kids, don't come. I certainly did not expect rain in Sydney, and rain like this as well. This is a bit of a joke. Far out, guys. So today we are travelling to the Blue Mountains. We're at the train station now. Apparently Blue Mountains is quite picturesque, so looking forward to it, and I'll see you there. Wonderful.
feel like I'm in Jurassic Park. The hell is all this? I feel like I'm gonna die. It means a dinosaur or a kangaroo. When you realise coming down these steps, you've got to go back up them on the other side. That's what I'm not looking forward to.
I'm not paying $67.
Been walking about 3 hours now, so we're now on the ascent up the Three Sisters or Seven Sisters, I don't know what it is. It's just some giant stairs. So if the next clip is me dead, then I love you all, my subscribers. This is for you. About halfway now, up the steep stairs. I'm halfway to death. So that only means that when I get to the top, I will be dead. Maybe even before. What do we say to the god of death? Not today. It does make me laugh when most people say, you know, oh, I'd love to visit Australia, but the spiders, I don't like spiders, and you know, Australia's full of them. But in all honesty, if you go to the major cities, there's no spiders or snakes whatsoever. So if you're planning on visiting Sydney or Melbourne or Adelaide, Brisbane, you know, the cities, I mean, there's no spiders or snakes to be scared of. So the only thing that I've seen in the week in Sydney, I mean, yeah, I've only spent a week, but the only thing I've seen is a few cockroaches. And to be fair, those cockroaches do look like they could beat me in a one-on-one fight, bearing in mind how big they are. Very riptidey. So my final thoughts on Sydney. It's an amazing place and there's so much to see and do, and just do it. If you're planning on coming out here, you're umming and ahhing, just come out here and do it. Life's too short, and if you don't do it, you'll regret it later on in life. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Please smash a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you all in the next video.
Peace out, guys.